Short review results. WashDryDazzle's outstanding team scrutinized this dishwasher for you. We've delved into its features and how it performs, because we want you to be equipped with all the wonderful specifics for making the right choice in your kitchen. For those who like to have a summary first, the WashDryDazzle team gave it a 4.6 rating, and the 4.5 rating is given to it by its users. The team evaluated its performance on 10 indicators: price and design, cleaning performance, drying performance, noise level, energy efficiency, water usage, cycle time, loading capacity, safety features, and reliability and durability. Quick pros of the dishwasher include: affordable price point, compact and space-saving design, variety of wash cycles, flexible washing with delay start feature, quiet operation for peaceful kitchens, energy and water efficient. Quick cons of the dishwasher include: no Wi-Fi or smart home compatible, no child lock safety feature, no self-cleaning filter,